Yes, I want to say a very good morning to all of us. I'm always happier when I interact with my audience, and it makes our going very smooth. I am honored to have been invited by this great department from this fantastic institution of learning to interact with us today. But I want to first of all thank the students for the orderly behavior that I have witnessed so far. And I suppose we are going to keep this going throughout the period of this very interaction. I want to quickly inform you that the Center for Lifelong Learning recently had a meeting with the Chartered Institute of Administration, of which I'm President and Chairman of Council. And during that meeting, it became very obvious to us that the management of this great institution means well for her students by signing an MOU with us such that as you are doing your degree programs, you are at the same time acquiring the CIA certificates. The CIA certificate is a big plus for all of you. It gives you an edge above your peers from other institutions where such arrangement is not happening. The CIA certificate is a professional certificate. The examination is quite tough. It prepares you to be strong enough to confront the challenges ahead of you. So I want to thank the department and the Center for Lifelong Learning for coming up with such laudable ideas. It is in the best interest of all of us, and the students especially,